Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Onions. Green chilies. Sliced onions. Add mutton or chicken. Add dried red chilies. Add coriander. Add cumin. Add green cardamom. Add black cardamom. Add star anise or body and caw full. Add cinnamon stick. Add ginger garlic paste. Add water. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue cooking. Cover and continue cooking on low to medium flame. Add cooking oil. Add sliced onions. Mix well and continue cooking. Add black cardamom. Add black peppers. Add cumin. Mix well and continue cooking. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well and continue cooking. Check to see if meat is cooked and tender. Remove meat from pan after meat is cooked and tender. Add mutton or chicken. Add cumin powder. Add coriander powder. Mix well and continue cooking. Add yogurt. Mix well and continue cooking. Add mutton stock to meat. Add salt to taste. Cover and simmer. Add rice when stock comes to boil. Cover and simmer. Add green chilies. Cover and simmer. Cover and seal with kitchen cloth or towel tissues. Cover and simmer. Mutton pulao is cooked perfectly. Dish out your masterpiece. Delicious mutton pulao is ready. It can be served with green chutney and salad. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.